Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we're testing this Keurig espresso machine. Coffee machine. We replaced the air pump on it. We checked the valve here, underneath here, and those can often be blocked, and it wasn't. And we checked the hoses, now it's fine. And we saw that when we blew air into this boiler back here that it made coffee like it was supposed to coming out of here, and also the hot water valve worked. So we concluded that the air pump back here was bad, and we replaced it. And you just take this panel off and replace it, and you have to kind of move the air tank, the whole water tank that's here a little bit to get it out, but it's not terrible to do the work. And we replaced that air pump, and now let's make a cup of coffee. I guess we only have so much time to make our coffee after we... Where's the one I just had? Here's the new one. I think. Anyways, it'll show it working. So you can see it's brewing just fine. We're not going to wait for the whole cycle. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.